The next style we'll go ahead and apply is our satin effect. Now this will help achieve the look of certain textures or materials when applied correctly. I find it's better to use in conjunction with other styles, but we'll just go over a little bit of the options we have here. We've got our blend mode again, opacity of the effect, the angle. Now this angle, I'll go and explain the distance first and then we'll talk about the angle. The distance, basically what the satin is doing is offsetting this image inward from each side of this object based on this angle. So basically, it kind of sounds a little strange, but basically you're getting this circular shape offset inside this direction, and again the same shape offset this direction. Now you see it clearly when I start to increase our distance. Now you start to see, now here's the two edges of our circles that have been offset, one this way and one this way. Now you can see how that works, and when they come together, they blend again. So your angle is the angle at which those offset each other. Now your size, again, will increase the size of the effect. And you get your contour. Contour you can play around with to achieve different looks to the satin effect here. And again, you can invert the effect, and it's self-explanatory. That's about all we're going to get into the satin effect here.